Hi, I'm here from M's Quilts and M's Scrap Bag, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a string block without a foundation. These are fun, they're quick and easy. All you're going to need are lots of scrappy strips, and then you're going to want an essential triangle ruler or flying geese, something similar like that. Thanks for watching my video. Remember to like and subscribe. All right, let's get started. To make a scrappy string block without a foundation, you're going to want lots of strips. Most of these are 1.5, but I have some in here that are not quite 2. So I'm just going to kind of randomly put them together. You can do that or you can stay uniform. That's up to you. So what we're going to do is pick out 5. And then I'm going to arrange the 5 that I've chosen in an order that I like. You can do that however you want. And I'm going to sew these together. But as I sew them together, the one on the outside, I'm going to fold it down like this. And I'll start sewing the next one on right there. Because I'm going to do these at a diagonal. And so I don't want waste. So that is my method for not having waste. So I'll start sewing here and I'll sew that on. So your strip set's going to look like this. We're going to take an essential triangle ruler or similar like Fons and Porter Flying Geese. If you have the Nifty Notions quarter square triangle, it's a lot bigger. You can make bigger squares. This will allow you to make 6.5-inch squares. But if you have the Nifty Notions, it's a lot bigger. You can make lots bigger squares. But I haven't been able to find this ruler lately. I'm glad that I have it. But, or I would put a link to it and let you buy it. It's one of my favorite rulers, but I haven't been able to find it. So sorry about that. If you can find it, kudos to you and have fun using it. So we're going to place this on. You can line up your lines from your stitching there to make sure that you're square and line up your bottom of this fabric. And then I'm going to take that and go all the way across. I do have extra here because they are 5.5 instead of 5. And that will give me half of my square there. And you can flip it the other way. And I'll give you another one. You can put these together or you can make more strip sets and do other combinations. So we'll have our strip sets. So we'll put 2 of them together. So along here. And that will create your string block. It doesn't have any foundation that you have to rip off or adds bulk to your quilt. That's why I like this method. And it's quick and easy. I can cut out a whole bunch at once. So just rinse and repeat. Have fun making your string blocks. Let me know if you have questions.